Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset your password on MacBook Air M4. If you don't remember the password, you just need to first shut down your laptop. So by the way, make sure it's plugged into power and just shut it down. So if you have this power button right here, you can just click on shut down. If you don't, then just press and hold on the power button until the display goes off. Then wait about 10 to 15 seconds to make sure it's fully off, and after that period of time, start pressing and holding on the... Okay, I didn't mean to restart it, I meant to shut it down, so I'm just gonna shut it down now. Okay, and now press and hold on the power button, but really hold. It'll show continue holding for startup options, so continue. And now when it says loading startup options, wait a moment. Now go to options, then click on continue, and it will most probably prompt you to enter your administrator account password, as you can see. So click on forgot all passwords, and now you will need to enter your Apple account email, so that is very important to enter it. Then enter the password to your account as well. And this is the password, of course, to the Apple account, if you don't remember it, click on forgot password, of course. Then click on next. And if your MacBook isn't linked to an Apple account, then you won't go through that step whatsoever, so don't worry about it. But it's great to have it linked, so it protects it from being stolen or like lost. Let's go to utilities now and click on terminal. Now you need to type in the command reset password without a space. So reset password, like that. Oh, I forgot the R. Yes, like that. Click on enter, and I will open the reset password option. So first you need to deactivate Mac, and if you don't have internet connection, you will most probably need to be connected during that process. So here is the Wi-Fi button, just need to be connected. Then again, enter your email or phone number to the Apple account. Then enter your password as well. Of course, it has to be the account that has been logged in on this laptop. Then click on enter. And now you can set a new password to your account. Then verify it. So just re-enter it. And now make sure you will remember it this time. Then you can also set a password hint if you want, and click on next. And now the reset password was completed. So let's click on exit. Now what I'm gonna do is just click on the Apple logo and click on restart. And now we should be able to just log in with this new password. Let's enter it. And as you can see, it's done. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.